Oh, buddy, what is going on? Here I am with you again, and we got brand new stickers. You see, I opened back first, so we have number. My hands are sorry. 195. It's 22. Okay, let's get it. Oh, Ma. Andrea Pirlo. My gosh. I get him. Juventus, he's playing in Juventus. Hazard. Wow, my gosh, he's playing in Chelsea. Wow, look at this sticker. Great. Samaras. Celtic FC, Scotland. George Samaras. Great. And David Villa. Wow. Famous. Everyone is famous. Atletico Madrid. Great. But I like Brazuca is better because Brazuca had more character stickers and that. Oh, so guys, this is all what I got this time, and we'll soon be back. So once again, Pirlo, Andrea Pirlo, Eden Hazard, Georgios Samaras, and David Villa. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Bye.